Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It comes from Electrostatics, and let us analyze it. It says a neutral graphite ball A is placed in a glass cylinder. The graphite ball B carries a positive charge, is dropped into the cylinder, and after making contacts with ball A, ball B rises to a height of 0.04 meters, where it remains suspended. Both balls A and B have a charge of 30 nanocoulomb after separating. Now the question says, calculate the original charge on ball B before getting it in contact with A. Okay, how do we answer this question? Okay, we use a law. We use a principle which is the law or the principle of conservation of charge. Okay, what does it say? It says that total charge initially is equal to total charge finally. So what are we going to say? We are going to say charge of A initially plus charge of B initially is equal to charge of A finally plus charge of B finally. Okay, what was the charge of A initially? It was 0. What's the charge of B initially? We don't know. Actually, it's what we are calculating. What is the charge of A finally? It is 30 nanocoulomb. Okay, let's put it in SI units. 30 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb. And we said it was carrying a positive charge, so it's positive. Okay, plus, remember, it's a principle. Every after two charged bodies touch and separate, they share the same charge. So here, even the other one is going to be 30 times 10 power 9. Okay, what are you calculating the initial charge on B? And you will have it. What is it going to be? The charge on B is going to be equal to plus 60 times 10 power minus 9 coulomb. Okay, that is that. Okay, let's go look at the next question. Okay, then comes this question 10.3. It says calculate the mass of sphere B. Okay, how do we approach this? Okay, the best approach actually is to have the free body diagram of B. Okay, B is suspended. So what are the forces we'll have? we have Fg acting vertically downwards. And what is keeping B suspended is this force, the electrostatic force. And B is stationary, it's not moving. And what does that mean? B is at equilibrium. What does that mean? The sum of forces in one direction are equal to the sum of forces in opposite direction. So you have your formula now. It says Fg is equal to Fe. Fg is mg. What is Fe? Fe is the electrostatic force given by K, Q1, Q2 over R squared. So you have mg equals to 9 times 10 power 9 times the charge, which is equal to 30 times 10 power minus 9 times 30 times 10 power minus 9 over 0.04 squared. If you substitute for G, you are going to get mass as the only entity to calculate. So you're going to say M times 9.8, giving you 9 times 10 power 9 times 30 times 10 power minus 9 times 30 times 10 power minus 9, all of it over 0.04 squared. When you look at here, M is our only unknown, so let us rearrange and find it. So M is going to be equal to, so after rearrangement and pressing the calculator, we get this mass. So this is the mass of B. It is 0.00052 kilograms. Okay, so let us look at the next question. Okay, then comes this question. It says, explain why ball B remains suspended above ball A. Yes, why does it remain suspended? Okay, the explanation is that when ball B got in contact with ball A, they happened to become both positively charged. And because both have the same charge, repulsion occurs. So what is keeping it suspended is the repulsive force between ball A and ball B, since they have the same charge. Okay, let's put that one down. So there we are. Ball A and ball B have the same sign of charge. Okay, on touching and separating, both A and B became positively charged. So they repel each other. Okay, with that, we are going to end this video here. We thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe and also to click that like button.